Alright YouTube, so I'm looking to take this beautiful trade here on EURJPY. The reason for the trade is because we're rejecting that area, so I'm expecting price to reject and come crashing down. So I'm gonna go ahead here and take a 20 lot sell position. Pretty clean trade, so I'm looking to take it right now. We're in the trade, boys. As you guys can see, we don't trade no demo, bro. Okay, we're in this trade. See how it goes. 460 is my entry. 460, let's take a look. 060 right over here. 060, 20 pip stop loss will be right up there. And then 20 pip TP will be right over here, guys. Now that you guys can see me, currently in this position here, guys. Let's see if we don't trade no monopoly money here. We trade a real live capital, boys. If you guys are wondering what the broker I'm using, it's down below in the description. Make sure you guys tap in. As you guys know, I do call this trades for my signal group. They're currently all in profit right now. So as you guys can see, called this beautiful trade EURJPY sell right now. Boom, boom, boom. All for the signals, bro. We're currently up $700 here, which is absolutely beautiful. Look how we're coming down here. Wow, what a beauty. The hourly candle is going to close here in 9 minutes. But this is such a freaking beautiful trade, bro. Instantly in profit, bro. You guys are seeing it here. Done live, bro. Appreciate you guys watching this video, though. Big announcements coming up. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the very next video. Oh my God, we're about to bleed, boys. 850 is TP. Let's go, let's go. Up 1,500, 1,600. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Go ahead and do this. I'm gonna close about 16 lots here at TP1. So let me just get this ready here. But pretty clean trade here, boys. Super simple trade. We're about 4 pips away from me to take profit. We should come down though. I'm not stressing. If you look at this 5 minute, the 5 minute should come down and break this low. That's way past my TP1, so expect the price to do that here, boys. Leave it in the comment section down below if you guys want me to do, if you guys would take this type of setup, bro. Pretty simple setup, guys. It's nothing too crazy to deal with. As you guys can see, we did come down here pretty strong on the 1 minute, so it's only right that this comes up a bit to then come back down. Up about $900 here. It's okay. As long as we're below this area here, I'm pretty bearish, boys. About 4 pips away from hitting TP, but nothing to be worried about. We are plus we're plus 15 pips. We're plus 15 pips. Oh, just alerting them that we were plus 15 pips. Was it 15? Yeah, about 16 pips. Beautiful. Small retracement to then possibly come down here on the 1 minute time frame. That's what I'm expecting here, chat. So let's see what happens. But with these type of moves, bro, it is market open. So these type of moves, you really want to be patient and wait for. This is that new retracement strategy that I am going to be dropping a video on. It's pretty much, instead of taking the breakouts, guys, we're entering based off retracements to then catch the continuation of the move. It's a very profitable strategy that I am working on. Where's my TP1? TP1 will be 850. I think this is ready to come down now. So we are focused on this. Let me put this over here. About 3 minutes for this candle here to close, boys. So let's see what happens. But yeah, guys, while we're waiting for this trade to let me pull this up here. Just so you guys can see exactly how we've been doing all year long. So right over here, as you guys can see, yearly stats for my VIP program, meaning the signal program, we've caught 214 wins, 70 losses, and 17 break evens. So as you guys can see, the overall for this win rate is 75%. So for the whole year, we've had a win rate of 75%, which is pretty incredible. The fact that we are in November now and we've kept that above 70%. So beautiful. Constantly getting better at my trading, because last year we actually were about I think it was like a 71% win rate for the year. But as you guys can see, January was a huge month. January, we only had 4 losses in the whole month. 4 losses and 18 wins. February, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losses, 2 break evens, 18 wins as well. On March was probably the best month we've had. We had 32 wins and only 5 losses, boys. So absolutely insane trading that month. We had an 86% win rate, for March. I believe that was our best month. For April, 29 wins, 10 losses, 74% win rate. For May, 15 wins, 6 losses, 71% win rate. June, 21 wins, 7 losses, 75% win rate. This was our worst month. July was definitely the worst month for me in my trading, at least. 16 wins, 8 losses, and 66% win rate, which is still a winning win rate, but definitely needed to cut down on these losses for the next month. And look at what we did. We definitely did. We had 19 wins, 6 losses, so we brought up our win rate. And then right over here we have 18 wins, 7 losses, and 72. For October was a pretty good month as well. 26 wins, 9 losses, and 74.29% win rate. For November we have 2 losses and 2 wins. Now keep in mind, these are all trades called by Freedom Trading, not just me. Dr. Snipes and John Paul trades as well are counted in these. So make sure you guys go check them out and check out they're gonna start doing Asian session YouTube live streams. So make sure you guys check that out as well. All right, but we're here. We're doing this here. We're doing it. Let's see if we can come down to my little red line here and catch a winning trade here for you guys. See that my strategy actually works. Now, I remember throwing like in 1 lots, 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots when I was just coming up, bro. And now we're throwing 20 lots on the regular, you know. I have a pretty big live account now, which is kind of what I wanted, bro. My goal, I set goals last year. And my goal, the goal I set for this year was to have $100,000 live account. This is not a funding program. This is none of that. This is a completely live account that I can withdraw whenever I decide. And I think that that's the best thing you guys can do, boys. So broker link is down below. So this is definitely one of the best broker I work with. Quick and easy payouts. You know, they don't ask any questions at all. You know, they're just giving you your money and that's it. Which is what you want it to do. You don't want it to be a hassle for you to get your money that you've worked for and that you've put in the time for, you know. So make sure you're trading with a trusted broker. I know a lot of brokers that, you know, they deny payouts and for certain stupid rules or stuff that their own broker has. But I've never had any issues with this broker, which is beautiful. At the end of the day, guys, make sure you guys always are trading on a trusted platform, on a platform with a good reputation, and not just trading to trade, you know. All right. I feel like once this candle here starts to turn bearish here, we should be good to go. I love this trade. Anything I don't like is this possible trend line here. So we have this little trend line going there, as you guys can see. I do believe we're gonna come down and break that trend line, just because we are coming up here with like this, you know, correction phase. We've already filled this gap in, so we should come down here and start to break some lows, in my opinion. As you guys can see, we have that level there starting to break. This area here is getting a little stronger by the minute, but we're expecting price to break through that zone. All right, you see, now we're breaking this lows over here. We're looking good here now. About $1,500 in profit here. Once we break this area, dude, we should be good to go to the TPs. There we go. 860 TP here, guys. Remember that? Remember that area? Right now we are at this little level, so we do need to break that level there. Once we break that level, we have clean candle moves to continue in our favor. So up about 1,800 here on the day. Beautiful. All right, looks to me that we could definitely start crashing here. Beautiful. We broke that low. Should come down now. Going to close. I'm gonna close right here. Closing 16 lots right there. Just close 16 lots, guys. I'm gonna alert my chat that I just closed 80%. Beautiful, boys. You guys saw here live. So now here is where we start to protect our capital, right? Here's where we're gonna move our stop loss. Right here. There we go. Just moved our stop loss right at break even, boys. But as you guys can see, we did call this trade beautifully for the VIP program. I want to see if it comes down to our full TP, which would be nice. But as you guys can see, account history, we profited about $1,600 in the day, and we have 4 lots here running completely risk-free, which is the name of the game. All right, you see, now we're coming down here. Still in some positions here. TP, I'm going to put it around this area down here. Beautiful trade, though. Beautiful trade. If we start to break this high here, I'll be looking to get out of my position. Beautiful trade, boys. But notice, no emotions, you know, just trusting the setup. and making a good profit here. Move my stop loss a little bit in profit here. Actually, I'm gonna move my stop loss here. I'm gonna move my stop loss because if we break that high, I'm gonna be out of this position. So entry up here, stop loss is here, overall take profits here. So let's see if we can hit it. All right, beautiful rejection. Now keep in mind, guys, why am I closing here, right? Closing there. Let me get my zoom tools. That way I can explain this whole trade. So right over here, boom, we have this area here of resistance, right? Which is this area here. Now, if noticing on this area, right, we know that we have our higher high here. It's not a higher low. This is not a higher low unless we can break higher high structure. So right over here, this is considered a lower high, right? So I pretty much just sold once price started to give me some sort of rejection at that area, because I knew if we were to reject that zone, we should come down to touch this area here, or at least a small retracement of that area. Now, keep in mind, keeping stops above this zone means that we are now bullish, in bullish form, right? Which is why I decided to close some at this small area here. Because remember, we have a small zone that's right over here. So I do understand, okay, we've rejected at this area here in the past. So let me take some profit here in the present, correct? It's all about looking at structure on the left side and then understanding, okay, this is an area here of reaction. So why can't I take some profit here at this area and call it a winning trade and come back for New York session for our New York live stream? Stops are right here now at this area, which is fine. Profited about 1.6k on the day, which is absolutely amazing. So let's just see if we can continue this streak that we're on, boys. Let me go ahead and add that into our chat right here. Right here we have EURJPY, Euro/JPY, and we took a sell position and we got about 18 pips, boys. 18 pips on that push. Beautiful push, if you ask me. You guys saw when I closed. You guys saw the profits, bro. Beautiful trading, boys. Let me go ahead and continue showing you guys this. Let me go ahead and make sure that this video is recorded correctly. But again, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We're most likely going to get taken out here in profit if we start to break this high. This high is the catalyst for the market. Once we break this high, that means that we're breaking out of this small trend line that we've been creating. So price should then push up, but this was pretty much all I wanted, right? I just wanted to move from here to here, and that was all I needed for the day. So yeah, beautiful trade. You know how we do it. Beautiful exit, beautiful entry. Sometimes you gotta enter, you gotta execute, you gotta exit. Boom. Beautiful, guys. $1,647 on the day, including commissions and all that stuff. So I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Beautiful trade here. All called live, all called for my VIP signals, all called for my YouTube video as well, just so you guys can see that we do it on real live accounts. We do not trade no monopoly money. So let's continue running it up, boys. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day.